Hello, and welcome to your next series. This series will discuss the lookup, index, and match features for Microsoft Excel. These functions offers the ability to automatically look up and swiftly retrieve information. This video will provide a summary of each feature, but we'll look at each feature individually as we move into the series. Having said that, let's take a look at our summary. There are multiple lookup items to choose from and will depend on your search needs. The options are lookup, VLookup, HLookup, and XLookup. With each lookup feature, there must be a common identifier. With the primary lookup feature, the columns must be in ascending order in order to return a specific value. This feature can search left or right of the identifier. The VLookup feature performs a vertical lookup. Again, a common identifier is required. This feature is only able to search to the right of the identifier. The VLookup will return an exact or a non-exact match and offers the ability to use a wildcard. The HLookup is very similar to the VLookup. However, it performs a horizontal lookup and can only search below the identifier. As with the VLookup, it will return an exact or a close match and offers the ability to apply a wildcard. Now the XLookup offers everything that the VLookup and the HLookup does. In addition, it has the ability to search from the left or the right. However, this feature is only available in Office 365. Now the index function will return the value of a given position in a range or array. The formula below searches the range from C5 to F17. As you count down into the grid, you will see that the selection is on row 4 and in column 3. Now the match feature finds and returns the position of an item within a range and is often used in conjunction with the index. The match formula here reads find Iceland within the range of D5 to D17 and return the position of that value. And as you can see, it returned a value of 3 because it is located on row 3. Each function offers its own benefits, and I am looking forward to sharing each lesson with you. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the first lesson of the series.